Hello everybody, welcome back. Yeah, I didn't do much this week on the van. Load shedding, we've had with load shedding up to 3 times a day. The weather's been horrible. Now cloudy, the wind's blowing, and it's been raining most of the week. So yeah, last weekend I did manage to fit the one uh, extractor fan, ceiling fan, vent. I didn't do much video of that as it is because I just replaced the existing vent that there was. So I just took the vent out, did some modifications, and then put the fan in. But I will be fitting the second one that I did go and buy. Eventually, they decided to get the second one, even with the problems that, well, not problems, but things that I'm not happy with the fan. But that I will tell more when I showed when I fit the actual unit. So yeah, enjoy this video. It's just not short snippets of things that I did do, and then my packing, because I'm going to at last go away for 2 nights and try out the van. I've had it for such a long time and haven't even used it. So I'll be going away with Russell and Cindy, and yeah, then you can see next week there'll be a lot of me being the first time out with a van. So yeah, enjoy this video, and thank you for watching. hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching. So tomorrow off to testing the camper van, and then next week you'll see where we've been, and yeah, just hope the weather turns out better. I believe going to be big storm and thunder showers tomorrow, but that doesn't matter. I've got to go and try out the camper van. Most of my stuff I've specced already, and yeah, then tomorrow morning off we go. Yeah, next week I'll hopefully with good weather I'll install the other fan and have more detail and video on how I'm going to do that. And yes, so not much to do, and getting the final bits of pieces done with the LED lights, and yeah, then we can do the whole big reveal hopefully in about 2 weeks time, or who knows, it might even happen next weekend. So yeah, keep on watching, and please hit that like, subscribe to see more of my videos, and all the best. See you soon. Cheers.